All right, I made it to the house, and because we're in the month of March, I'm going to go ahead and go in with a little bit of green nails. Not St. Patrick's Day yet, but some green nails. Here are the girls naked for you, just bare and all. I don't know if I feel like they're getting longer or not. I feel like either the growth has stopped or when she's shaping them, they're just staying the same length. What do y'all think? I don't know. I would like them a little bit, just a little bit longer. So yeah, I'm done with the first hand, doing some stickers here. I'll turn the camera around so y'all can really get a good look. And I'm going to go in and do my other hand. So definitely stay tuned. This is my non-dominant hand, so it's definitely a little harder. And I always try to do my right hand first with my left hand, and I forget. Like, I automatically just start with my left hand first. And I keep saying I need to start with my right hand first because I'm slower because I'm using my left hand to do my right hand, if that makes sense. And I always forget to start that way. And the next thing I know, I'm done with my left hand, and then I got to sit here and fight with this right hand. But yeah. And sorry, I'm trying to stay in the frame so y'all can see, but I keep forgetting. So yeah, I'll show y'all at the end. I'm doing the cat eye magnet. I need to get some more magnet polishes. I keep going out of frame, I'm sorry. But I'm doing the cat eye magnet. I really enjoy and love those. And I think I'm going to buy a bunch of magnetic polishes. And one time I'm just going to do all 10 nails, like magnetic. Hey guys, so here are the nails. Oh, I need to lotion my cuticles, y'all. Forgive me for not lotioning my cuticles, but I did a cat eye on the pinky. I showed y'all a little bit of that in the video. March 1st is tomorrow, so we're going into our March, so I wanted to do some green. I really didn't know what to do. I just kind of went off the top of my head with this design, and y'all will see that. I do have some St. Patrick's Day stickers and stuff. I will be doing my St. Patrick's Day nails right before St. Patrick's Day. And I used my Versace, Gucci, Chanel, Dolce & Gabbana, Louis Vuitton stickers. I just kind of mixed it all up. As you can tell. Okay? And this is my left hand. And this is the right hand. The right hand, I switched it up. The cat eye magnet polish is on the thumbnail. The stickers are on my pointer nail. Put them all the way around there. And then the green nails are the other nails. And this is what they are looking like. So these will be my nails for the next like 2.5 weeks. And then I'm going to go in and do my St. Patrick's Day nails, which will also be green again. I have to see kind of what I want to do with it, with the stickers, because the stickers that I pulled out are huge. I'm like, are you sure these go on nails? Because even though my nails are long, these stickers are huge. So I gotta figure that out. I may look online for some other designs that are simple for me to do for St. Patrick's Day, or I may do like a lot of green glitter. What other colors go with St. Patrick's Day? I'm gonna look up some St. Patrick's Day nails and see what's what. But these are the girls,
And I absolutely love this set. I just ordered some of those. What are those, like Uvu Nuvu nails? From Amazon, the curved nails. So if I break a nail or anything happens, I have a curved nail to replace it with, because I had broke this one and I don't like how it looks underneath like that. See where I broke it at right there? So I'm thinking about doing this. I'm trying to flick y'all off. Nail over. So I have to like how they look. You know what I mean? Yeah. All right. So these are the girls. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.